year die. And so I think some of my penica says a young free a book 9 number 6. And the same attitude now or what position or this society.
Now it is a siano. Or say yes, or still all avenues and all laws. Ade Akye Abia wo ma yimu no say approach for IGP no de na approach for call amia bebre. O man pani say approach for no to be identify and distinguish between illegal and legal minors into a year o mafri ho. Most asem na waka no musoma adabraka de entra ebia na approach for no information on no ya man pani head of security no yaka chance police for no kwa small scale for ground no akopa mo is a senka bia galamsey for no ada na musimu so manyeye
oh say but I said I would see a same way police for here institutional obaka say mo share that intelligence I dey to share power police for no omo state agency omo inform for mining inspection and that is our friend minerals commission. So we need to for EPA and also Water Resources Commission. They about information. If the police authorities say are buying us say you may not know what the government's own fight against Galamsey. It is as you say we know much now say I want to put by and sign on what trace you say I'm going to fight Galamsey. Someone ya dia na I am buying now say taking responsibility. More can say police for any adwuma ne ye. If you say the police for any hono, why be on fighting Galamsey no? Because so from omo boye Galamsey no, omo da one esin from almost in from almost in sonum adwuma. Why not say fighting Galamsey no? I say a quote be a better for the 9 months. Then I had to 9 months a day, a bit but Siciano, 9 months, you're more musica. You're more musical with the years, but that's almost a rocket. Well, almost to me, I'm not one operation, no more sayaba. One operation, no more sayaba. I said, no, my institution, yes, you are. When you can use that's how far when we have bears or say. I'm sorry, you say issue, no. A do crisis point that say targeted state of emergency. Let's say you didn't bring it. Some benefits are so there must normal sufficient resources to say. I'm on fire, a Jumana, a Gabatia. But you results to know. And that's your solutions now. All I say, I was here exhausting and Sana, they're taking state of emergency. We were in crisis some time ago. You're the one of crisis. It's no money society, pressure in society.
Darable Subada Sianope.
You're missing me that super.
Yow. Coalition for no, Ashawam. As your mother mopu. I say, almost our form. Yow, this Galamsey fight. Yeah, Kono.
Jampu.
Yeah, Kono. Me kind, me say. Gold. Gold board for to gold. 5 companies normal license to gold. Almost susu do every was say gold we are they were to a so me we know. We free Galamsey side diento.
No, David. Only also that said the mammy I won na no. So papa found a we are. So style we know. Or how do you hear more? Yawu kukua. Ajia for real. Ajia trouble. Star will you, Mr. Jando. All the here. What the other side, Ajia say? The back girl back from crowd, you'll call Monica. Abigail, what's the stop in I feel no good answer. I'm over there. We are not. GDS so now the Ajia. What the Ajia to? Nanny host. Is the Siano? Galamsey for no. Omunyo golda. Ain't no tono. Gold bot. But I can tell no so soon a collation for me no more ya gonna say. Gold wa ye benya na ye no more de. Gold we benya. Say asana me ya. Bentino. Enti akonta yensen nsuo nyina. Enti akonta yensen yenkwaye nyina. Yensen yesa. Na yensen say there we don't care. Kwa e befa so gold no beba no. We don't care.
But as it stands now, that is it.
Gold, a boy, a boy, mine, if the gold were yet to Tony, the Bosumi Bensia, Bosomen so, and we are clapping for ourselves. Billion.
But the repercussion in the bush is not the same.
Akuta, yet Yana doctor say, Catray and say, and Kuala Yewu, oh, Galamse areas, sa
deformities no yados
yados no mufi say galamse na kuta see galamse no mo ye niam mo de horo no chemicals no dey so and sunsun so ben nei wo no mo ka kire sai oh omo wie na wo sa kokata amna no so a ubetima ye bibia
you know how many years it takes to claim the land
mo sa black ni sa niam no a wo mo di wura asase ni mu no o say ye na ye reclaim ye hwan ni de a ntumbo yo montombo pa na ye beti ye ni ensuo nyina sai ye ni modenti
se na no
ye de eja me bisa say sika no 6 billion no ye de kwan ana e di hospital ana
also man pele to mama ni so ade ro ye the 10 billion push
nti anu no de be
so now you know no de be na de no de be
10 billion cedis ana dollars
$10 billion push anu no de be ye do every region
na pretend ye nya say cedi a won fan start here
so be start na there be obeto nebo on say minister for road say on be ye ekwan foforo
amasi akra
6 lane highway
10 billion ibi no mo de be
meji
no ndi bi so aye dey
akwan nyina
Ghana akwan nyina
infrastructure 10 billion push
bosu mi nsi eji say na Ghana yenya problem
almost my
10 billion or dey na say bosu mi nsi enya 6.3 billion bo
I say nya ekwan kwa say anei Harun Idris to say aban no yi 1 billion from get fund 2026 budget you know one day take it away double track also omo ho 2027 omo fi say with the infrastructure availability no 2026 fast track double track be free ho
akonta double track no mete sankomo ya eto de na emenika
ade
akonta eti double track na ugidi say ye adwuma
double track
ye adwuma be see baby but se me no kasa ne akonta school bay opokuare ko Prempeh College ko St. Louis
school se be
na ko ka kire say double track no mfa so omanya dormitories no omanya class munchom no munko musuku yenya se nkora ne ko 2 weeks no ma betre fie 2 months ana
sika na
dey omon kan kire yen omo education GS for no gitum say double track na se ye ka ne pa no ehun ye bio se ye ka se nkora no yet kroma say school ye opata se friends KSTS akota omo classroom na ma ebisisi wo kura omo ni pa nkotenem nkola nkom aso ye se ye double track goes nkola na nya classroom entenem ade na Ghana say du ba bia ase agro se ne ye fesa
now say ye agro we
ase agro ye fa ase double akota me se ko Prempeh College ko Pokuare ko St. Louis no come say almost sort to dormitories and almost sort St. Louis can no mo do mo nkola nkogu mansell so say the other one ko so mo da so do mo kogu obi ma
St. Louis
so enough adwo akirewa na sa
oba akirewa ye ma fe no
akuta omanya ina me ka say bia omo problems gina sort e bia on be table and chair
no omo face in out 2026
as a obi benefit me mu say as a big oje Ghana dia obi benefit bia no ye free ye
ye
yen so sa we double track na double track kopem be say Prempeh College enkwala no do say and a form 3 form kakra kota say education no
ya be
akola kotina school 2 weeks pe kosua de ni amana betra fie 2 months e bia betra fie 1 month you see 2 weeks ni remfi o ya so the fear SHS aba ni ntueska akola ne co school 2 weeks no better few 1 month no ma pe classes teacher man sense ka na me be to school fees no me dey tua classes teacher ne ka
omo season no to didi omo didi
akola no so better fear wo be didi sa
yaw
na wo so abo apere
be 2 months ye ho
Can you go school?
For
3 months or so.
Any primary kwala na mema no de dangerous.
Akotomo be fie na anu ya. Efie aduane nyina sa.
Ya wo de so we ma.
Akoda.
Ya ma ni di sa. Yaw, e ma ni di sa. Mema no. Ya wo se, me koto. No mo so mo kondo aduane bi. Enye se me ya betama ambi. Omo special fried rice.
Frank no more.
Ya negu. Bo bi musa. Ya ona me to mienu. With the intention say, ya me ense betima che. Ketwano igwanse jina me nchen ya me hwia say daddy pour all.
Hwia aduane ni na.
Na me hwia aduane no bowl na
egum no plate no.
Na penini so abegina ho. And I'm saying, can you finish it? Oh, this is easy. Your guy said this is easy.
This is easy.
And I'm there no so calm. And I'm quite now more dining table.
Mo.
Yow.
Start here.
Me read them. Jehovah me phone so I'm buy no more wash your boss.
It is done. It is done. It is done.
Yow.
Akoda it is done.
Me say banku bon say me nu.
Say kutu say bam.
That is the way Kolani did there. Ya Ade.
Akoda me say it is done ya. She
Gola be no one more no the garage.
No the stress so.
No tissue top.
Ma.
It won the net too.
And one more the garage so.
No this generation is too much. Ya omo did you?
This point so no omo body need
omo develop.
It here.
It won ma come na ma no.
You must go school mu. You carry a school be 3 months, 4 months.
No be 3 months.
Na
anyway, private schools no. Omo nyai vacation classes no. Uni ma de. Kwala ni bro. Ya wo hu akwala a wo school a waso ne bag mu da.
Yeah, bag no yes.
What's on Kwala? Spinal problem. Because courses now, you know, only the teacher and the lecture.
Yes.
Primary school near Kwala back.
Yes.
Basic Kaya, your new graduate.
Bag your bonnet in Yasan.
No, could you on man? It's doctors, no, or more educated. And Kwala problems. Are they not going to have a standard growth in another day?
I would don't say a school no can any timetable amount.
And your cupboard, your cupboard, no
timetable.
Books
Monday morning, Abia 9, Abia 7 to 9.
7 to 9 or mass.
9 to Abia 11.
Break.
Or Abia say.
No break. What be religious studies?
What be religious?
One 4 o'clock wapon. It will cost school all the books for.
They be a bear for now exercise book, no notebook be home. Now they call. But then was the sad textbooks no one whining in ane. Then the ending in ane sum. So bush yankwale no mobile. Now answer now say kuta the friends say the bowl the lunch box. The one why say kuta no. Then so say ho. Asa ochen so jeni a walk war. I don't go school. Omo chen so jafo. Na o mama kwan so akabe ma kwale arrest no. Omo transi 1 week pe. Ya say mo abetua be 400 say. Ye omo classes. Na kwa no pa omo pon 2. Na stress kwala no do. Aba. Too much. Computer age.
Too much. What about the assignment about me yo? It's a no. Who you be a word?
For no may who says, yeah, for no more person, no assignment. On person my young parents and assignment here. Almost can't no one answer be. And so who know who did today? Oh, it's really. I don't know. Must be a chap. No. Very much about him and if you and say, what is that? And I'm so way. My friend, watch it to mass pa. Watch me PA. Watch it.
We're very good with maths.
Sir.
Excellent.
I could have watch it.
Yeah, guy.
I could have known a man.
Yeah, watch your science. Watch your science.
I could have watched it.
Now I was the hotel.
No, in a guess to suit yes. I would have
any of the Google net.
Because your children know you now try.
I will tell you, Kobusem. And you're watching it. Ah, don't go with me. What are we going to say?
On the boat, you know, I
will watching. And never saw the mass.
Bow Pat. Patience. Oh, Jadepa.
Sir, Antines.
Nesnino.
Okay.
Oh, anytime you're available, fee.
Antines, the young one. See, you see, calculating more. Any Kosia Betsia Maukran, with that. And then what was there? Oh, you good in mathematics.
Hola.
Yes, I went no more. What calculating mono, any and one.
It's a one cup out.
Say, when you did, I'm saying, hey. I said, no, yes. I didn't know we them too. Now, because she said, I'm saying, no, it was some.
Oh, my goodness. You can see it was sentimentum. Nah, and I no pay. Ye kwa to chen komo. Ye ne asantemanra otum for ankobia hene. Ena anopay ye ne twetwe nkomo ba for kwam kusi otoso mienu eye asanteman kobia na mame kwa homa no so na mene therefore twetwe nkomo ba for anopay onananom ye moache
ya medio
adama mebom aseme chia na mpom te sei
ami adom me hoye pa menim se mo so mo hoye
yenso ye ho ye adama onananom na odawma yenim se na wotwe ayekosimu yi eye dapon kase e ma asanteman enchise no ene sei ya yakodu sei na se na omanfo ye adehye asanteman yensuesiesie ho emra dwumadi na se odawma ye monkomo
yo edika mechi amotiefu nyina makase ade aba no ya asanteman nyina yasem efise ye nyina ye maame na oda fom no ti eden se na gu fom atoto ne ma nyame adaroma akakra bi na aben ye ene nyame adoma kwasi ada anwumre ene ne aberwa abetom praso na amache joda no pa no ya bie so ama obibia opeso ba behwe no enya akonya ba behwe enti no se ye de agu kwam no adwada ebrada upiada yawada ya transe na dofo betia na fi ya dabrewa to adakam na ya yas awufusom ewo mansia e de amabrewa enti awufusom no ebe no mansia park ne so ya da yawada no sorry na babisia horo mo
okay
ya de ya awufusom
enti therefore afade no eyesei obi badwumade na se anafade no wonya ne sei
yo so bi badwumade na se afade no nyina ye kuntunkuni ya ka se kuntunkuni a tuntum antuma tuntum eno kwa na ye de ba ase se wo ye oba so ba wo fra antuma tuntum kama wo ye be man so a wo fra antuma tuntum kama enti di afade ye de ye kuntunkuni ye antuma tuntum
eno se wo be sha atade crash maninye tuntum
on the Saturday kwa manye tuntum tuntum kwa ne de abrewa yie no
yetene yenya ne nte se eda ya wada no de mo bia mi store mo bia enye bibia ne nyina ye metachire se sa na nhye ne tie wada ma
sa na nhye ne tie eda ya wada no obia ni kwan se obia adwuma bia wo kumase abonten so o se nyina be abrewa kwan ma ne ye fefefe ana de tato no so se free nonson kobo no wotwe de ni kwanse ehu nipa bia wa bonten tatam ne de abrewa kwakura
na nwumre no
nwumre no
free nonson kopin be no wotwe no nkro ko no
ko no aha
obi a
nhefie isa sabre na abrewa ko eduru on so bia na mo amunim enti no empese ebehu nipa bia wa bonten sabre
okay na wada ma o emma no titru e de afutu na de be ma obu a na wa be se atade tuntum e de be yie no nso so na eye tuntum de enso so
na sɛneɛ na afadeɛ ne sie no asɛ ɛyɛ yi akwaa binom ne adeɛ di nnɛ na amafo yɛ ɛbɛyi ɛyɛ ne biri sɛ tobu a ɔnte amanneɛ ne amammerɛ ɛyɛ no ase afotuo bɛɛ na ade bɛma mabunu no wada ama
afotuo a wode bɛma mabunu no sɛ ɛyɛ yɛ maame panyini na ɛda fam no nti sɛ obi bia ɛba hɔ nom a ɔnhwɛ sɛ obɛdi ne ho ni ne dressing no n'ataade hyɛ mu no ɔbɛfa nneɛma a ɛyɛ kama ɛyɛ tuntum ɛnsa asomade wobɛnya yi wasomade sɛ wopɛ sɛ wɔkɔhwɛ aberɛwa ani akyi bia wobɛyi wasomade yɛmpɛ sɛ mode nwie no bɛgu so kubaa saa wotiri nwie no ma no nyɛ kama na mbɛtumi koraa de adeɛ black ahyɛ so kama na de akɔhwɛ aberɛwa wowie a wakɔbɔɔ life ɛnde obi ansi wo ho kwan mmom sɛ wopɛ sɛ wɔkɔhwɛ aberɛwa ani akyi paa deɛ a ɛne kwan sɛ wɔwoyɛ wo ho sɛ ayi na ade kwan mmom na ɔsɛ woma obi biara no sɛ ɛyɛ n'ahema n'asante hema na ɛda fam na wokɔ hɔ akɔhwɛ
na mpatwa ɔda wo ma wo yɛwɔ no asukufoɔ no ɛbɛkɔ school anaasɛ yɛyɛ nhyɛ sɛ du hɔ anka yɛma nkwalaa no ntena fie anaa
yɛne deɛ yɛde yɛwɔda no nhyehyɛeɛ no abɛto dwa nti education office foɔ no ɛna ɔsɛ ɔmo dwene ho no mu hunu sɛ yɛbɛma nkwalaa no akɔ anaasɛ yɛbɛma ɔmo agye ɔmo ahome saa da ɛdi sɛ yɛne yɛde ato kwan adwa sɛ ɛsantemam ha sɛ kuma se titiri deɛ ɛda yɛwɔda no deɛ yɛmpɛ sɛ shop biara bɛbie na wɔahwɛ de kɛseɛ ɛkɔ so yi na mo ama nkwalaa no anyɛ ɔmo ahome a education office foɔ no na ɔsɛ ɔmo dwene saa deɛ no
me ne ɔyɛ adwene na therefore baba fam no ɔyɛ adwene me ne ɔyɛ adwene paa na menim sɛ media no so ɛhyehyɛeɛ no te sɛn
yɛde media no deɛ yɛwɔ media committee wɔ hɔ nom a wɔde nhyehyɛeɛ no nyinaa gu akwan so ɛwɔ mi sɛ obiara wɔ n'accreditation baabi a wɔsɛ ɔkɔpem baabi a ni kwan sɛ wɔkɔ ne nyinaa wɔ hɔ ɛna ɛnɛ dua nso yɛbɛyɛ meeting atwa toɔ yɛwie a menim sɛ yɛde nsɛm kakra bɛto nsɛntwerɛfoɔ no anim nti ɔno nso ɛmi sɛ mugu deɛ ɛkɔ so biara
baafo kwan gusi ɔtɔ so mmienu asantema nkɔ bi ahene therefore piaw yɛda ase sɛ wanya bɛni akasa yaw a quick one on the funeral
11 o'clock the committee be addressing
media that's right
committee no be addressing media no ya grace in patro check ade no platform no so enye we ya platform no so 11 o'clock
yeah I think I have it here
on be addressing media no na enhyehye any bibia e be koso bia so no and send you busy akobia so
almost just say starting Friday Friday near next another day say
and 12 inti enne na nananom be press conference
omone media no media
11 o'clock
na omode and say yeah media no emphasize fan cover because there are going to be a lot of live coverages
enna omode nsese so aba omode nsese aba
about vehicles
and omode the press conference ne die ni and there's another one na omo amayehu do's and don'ts ye we no the
eno na me
ya go so betimi de eno na
to so but date no de buy no yeah there is a little mistake with the date. All vehicles parked improperly within the vicinity of Menshia Palace will be towed away starting Friday 14 September, which is the date is.
Yes, date, no, yes.
It should be 12th September.
Yes.
All citizens whose vehicles are located within the affected roadblocks are kindly advised to seek alternative parking arrangement. Also, within the vicinity, roadblocks, no, also more baby or modi or my blockade can't be a beer, almost free. And I say deliveries to the palace.
Yes, should be
done. Maybe I would be ever. Service providers, they must be completed by the close of day on Saturday, 13th, which means they made a mistake. To the BB Bama deliveries, idea was all the Kobiano. Because and yes, Sunday and now Monday now also baby Diania now be in here maybe a commercial.
Debbie.
It will not be accepted.
No recording devices, including cameras, microphones, mobile phones, pens, or any similar equipment are permitted during the filing past of Asante Hima. Akodenti de na ye kafa or de na bafo kwam kusi ye ka say so person okosho Hima ni echi a you assume de ne there's another one or more catcher say o call so no make sure say on phone nko o person
akwakonya asem o de the phone
mo no de ho say
o ye blogger o video yini no de akoto say Asante Hima ye da no say no te wo mo sisi o mo chiw
mo
ana we so ye chiw obi anka bi ma o
debi ye di ka wone una oja why wa ho say o ye smart and every recording device be omun here whether a pen whether ye de
almost said neither the funeral planning committee nor the Jase of Menshia has authorized any individual or group to solicit donations or contributions of any kind. Anyone found engaging in such unauthorized activities should be reported to the appropriate authorities for immediate action. And go to free mentioned Omumfa and Sama Kobo.
And I bet you made the insane simi so I'm a media call. Yansuma Obia.
All motorcycles, mopeds, and tricycles are prohibited from entering the restricted area around Menshap except those with official accreditation.
Yes.
It's moto, Pragya, Aboboya, Chena man kofa ho. Mutio.
Mutio.
Aha, Ali Baba dan Kambari. The public may freely park at the Central Mosque, Degraft Memorial Methodist Church premises, and the Asawasi Metro cluster of schools.
Yes.
Kopake Okao.
Now
just provide the security.
No.
To Udru Central Mosque
Jina. And now say a primary school na wo ho no mo no a o school Kopake no so Kopake Okao. And I Methodist sorry na wo
Kopake Okao ho.
Which man Kopake Okao.
Now antie
mo
yo. Ye dey yako. All street vendors are strictly advised to all street vendors are strictly advised to stay clear of the main street leading to Menshia Palace. Why be our ton chewing gum? Among for cotton a chinchinga. Sausage.
Na kweta boss wa na no me say dey be dey nya bia.
Boss wa na your joint.
Asie ho no. Okay.
Sa boss wa no di anwa. Eni anwa mu. Oni e fe na eno na ye asante sausage.
Asante akade no.
Asante akade.
Say kutu.
Bam. Sa sausage no. Yeah, dia ye wa no. Now what for this can say e be inam.
Yesu say nyina na ye ka o. Ye yinyini ya na ya.
Sa boss wa no. Ye gidi pa na wa bekom.
Sir,
I'm come old town.
Abruti ya honana.
Debi I'm come old town.
Okay.
Boswa.
Okay.
Baby I eat no. Chami techi wono.
Pam.
What do you call Mary Kram wana? Pam. Stadium man no jabe 1 CDB.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Boswa you too.
Na boswa omo mini to turn to 2 years. Yeah. You try to say. Eni anwa mo.
Say kutu, say
bam. Kuku aye nanim. Oh, kolani e wo na sia no.
Latoji babies. Omo wu he.
Ena, oh, baby a ye block mensia no fa no. Okofa National House of Chiefs ona. Nam no mototo.
Alaji bi nam bi no ototo wo no
kwa. Dia ye dey ayi chichire no.
Omo dey
cement paper girl you penam.
Dia dan ye koto bi no and dey wo hu si adan ye koto bi no.
Sanam no.
Akwata ye.
The steam no. Heat no na
mo.
To ye bibia wi ado ma chichire.
The cement paper na chichire no.
Oti oil bi go ho. Adi yakopon. I don't know Asante Akade.
Omo meko bi no de.
Meko be hye nyina, ye meko nyina me target.
O target ya.
Ba say ya. Yes I know I say. Yes I know mo inside one mo ye ya no mafa.
No I don't know.
Na makoti ahia mo cha. Edewu. Asa nwom no. Osre. Abusuafo. We nyina o bi da ko try bi. Come up. Joint.
Mention the official portrait picture. Of Santehima Ade Akye. Radio station, TV station, media platform be or per se. Or streaming and also broadcasting. Yes, this is the official portrait.
Don't use any other picture,
apart from this one.
It will come be for now credu ya no toso me Santehima one for week.
This is the official portrait picture.
Don't bring any other. Say wow ko yi would
ya mamubi samonye.
Etiawa Akade.
See kutu say bam.
Ba me kaje for jo twen komo. And na ye dey brand TV di komo ya you will join us. Ofri prisons and a buy. Now onim as Omanhene John Mama air granted amnesty no e bi kan no. Now they have a story to tell. Say prison ho omoneme na ti ho. Okay, Kanjen. More to say.
Pachinyanko Pandom.
The Biaboko.
Pachinyanko Pandom.
Okay.
They are fine.
I no pay. Uno niaba. Why fe?
Yeah, that's it.
And I know some of papa di ni birthday. Birthday no am so.
Oh.
You dey kafra. So am me so. Party am here man frame me.
You dey kafra.
Okay. That's why I say. Ade.
Up and down.
My man pay.
Well, I can't say and pay so say yeah.
You have not been legally assigned to call me a contact. The only person that can call me a contact is Yabuama. To the Bobidi. I just have been asem. Thank you very much. That's all I like. Anyway, I hate you.
Kanji me and also no atiefo nya hwefo yebeda mase wo pepa da bia munya akoma paditi Sompa ene edititi ho ehwe Sompa TV ni nyina no yasde de be ma mpacho kanji yatena si de yapomuden chechire na yede bremu na no pe sanse ubedidi a yapomuden obenuma yapomuden ni nyina koba besi se wapomden etise enano pei nti ncheche se ye ubedidi a so munya aduane a bebo ma eye ntiase a uni paduane benya ama pomden etimasi pi a uni padua mu no na oso wudie na mbio ensu a obenom ama uni padua esimasi pi ama esita sanse enyensu bia na oso wonom ensu bu a obenom ebekwa akofa yade abro obeko a enko emma apomden intimi sipinti anopei kanjin ye hwek ye kase kanjin kra na ye dia de kanjin Japanese word ye kase kanjin na mepacho mini kodbo fokasa was back to origin ebe etwi kase ma ye se sankofa eno ene kanjin sa edi kanjin no sa ene tie na kanjin no kra no mepacho Japanese word say dem di kan editu dwa no na eno mepacho ye kase kanjin water yensuo be a yensuo bia purely alkaline alkaline water sanse kase alkaline water mepacho eno range from 7.5 to 14 which is alkaline water nti say ye wo pH scale na mepacho ye beto so say mepacho say o ha ye beto so ni ahwa de nti eno range from 0 to 14 no which is 0 to 6 acidic which is sickness 7 neutral eno a emboa emma pomdi NCP eno emmo emma enso emma yare emma ni peduam ana from 7.5 to 14 no alkalinity which is purely alkaline eno asem ena edi tudwa na enpo kange no process bay enenem ye kanjin machine ewo ho no ye plate bi a ewo ma ye friend the titanium platinum plate eno ena enam so ma ye nya sa kanjin no split it into two nsuo ni namu a split it into two na process no ye free process bi ti say electrolysis eno na nsuo ni fm ema nsuo ni timi be ye electrolyte electrolyte no eche say eye ahodinu ewom no etimi SCP asitente eno na wonum a eboa ema saa enema entimi enye anase enema enye wo yin padwam no etimi efimi efe growth bi detoxification eno eboa timi si saa enema ni na afiu ni padwa detoxify obody no ema enema o se film ne sebi efim efe wogya na biam anase odwunsom ana enfifiremu ema saa enema yibo ni na etimi fiu ni padwam na no echi no pepacho yewo eye enema miensa ewo yensu 3 properties a ewo eye sa akalan water ye kan wasemi nti da bia ye de betena ha ye nyese bia sikanti anase de nemum ye business de ba aside business wise no ye se church se be ya abre bia no ubenya insupanom abre bia no wapomdi ebesi pisan se apomdi church de unya se obi betin sika se obeto time no o church kwan a obefa so adidie kwan a befa so onom na ama woni padwande bia no etimi akoye emma yare MFA de bia ye 3 properties e yensuo ni dey kan alkalinity no say which is yensuo no purely alkaline say dem bi ka di tudwa no from 7.5 to 14 purely alkalinity ye be hwe wo hwe yensuo ye yensuo miensa e yenimu ha ye be hwe ni nyina no na ya kire alkalinity ne ewa ha sensem di ka di tudwa say ye framework bi detoxification ye ka say detoxification na bo eyi yarewa afri sabi wogya na abia mu unfifiremu ana se mpo eye odwunsom ama enema o se intimi tete oni padwuma e de yarewa haw ebebe oni padwua no ni nyina etimi efrim ama enema nyina etimi kamanti ye be hwe yensuo miensa ye o kangen energy quarter wa ha eno na ye kan wa asemi ana yewo ensunka ye mienu enso wa ha eno sabi ye etimi modin ema eye asem manti ni nyina se ye hwe yensuo mpage se KOPSK no ewo ye TV ni so a ye betimi ehu nanka ye de ache ya hwefo ne ehu se ensu ayenom no eje nsu bia keke e wo so nya nsu e beboa ama unipadwa na CP nti se dem bi ka di tudwa no hu se wo hwe ye nsu a 7.5 to 14 na se utimi se blue na se nke wo PSK no ha ke telefone ka mbehu de eken nti ni na se eni o de wo hwe ensu ka ye na wo hwe ye nsu a utimi se kangen energy quarter eboa pa nti abra a wo benum nsu we no symptoms a wo benya se ebi wo ha onum bi da nti on the first time I say menum ye no me ko private pa menum ye no enfifie te me pa menum ye no asem ho mbasabasa enye yare anase enye bibia na e hawo na emum reaction say chere say nsufofo bi akoni padwam a eyi o hawo afiri oni padwam ama ahoto ai da etima ba fie nti science a onum so no foforo for the first time a we take kangen energy quarter eno dwumadi ebedi e oni padwam eno no me patro eno purely alkaline and edika e kan wasam ne ye ba ko bi so ye friend no microcluster microcluster no enso enso na ni wasiso a enti ebowo ni padwam untini mu mogyamu etimi eye adwuma unse abrebia unu nsu a enso ni etimi hye ofukutu ema ofu eye chako uze kankan se wodi anadwo na wasa anya pure water wasa amana e chilled wanu musi wo fili we di good there bi minya ba man papa maame o fire de ama ho sanse anadwo didie no class specifically enwaye ana wasa chilled water esedi aguso nti abrebia onum kangen energy water eboa ma digestion ateki place udidi anadwo ade cha unti se bloating anase obu ayo chocho anase obu ayekutu anase obu se otise okay so a se bi bo se otie aduane pampan a udi na anadwo no ade ache no otini nyina o ni padwam nti no kangen energy water eboa yi sa ne ma ni nyina etimi afro ama o digestion etimi ateki place ebio cholesterol etimi se omoja ewo ntirim no se etimi aclot ntimi mflo yi a won se abrebia se moja no yetena fa akoche na unesti fa akoche a bo se wo unan no na se access so ase unana ititriti ase onsa ititriti moja na ntimi ni afrusane no ena de sa ne mani nyina ba na bio wunya kangen energy water boa eyi sa ne mani nyina yede etimi afro ma ahoto etimi abafie nkanka ne ma me mo onwo odwom papa mo omo te fa akon office oko banks ne offices in kayana omote fa ko be wie bo say AC no what say why chilled otena kama AC or ti officer AC or coffee AC un say bebia e ma omogya no etimi entimi enje furusani ye abebia e kanfo kanje na naje kota etimi e de ma say unya bia e bebo ama was dada se tenemu odwuma mu enema odwuma dia wudi nyina no etimi SP ama enema nyina etimi aye kama etimi e de abo enhwe eye property ba ko a yesa ka ho ase me fe bibi antioxidant ana antioxidation e boa sa e ka se antioxidation na e fight against aging unse ye ka se e fight against aging na obi wa uhuna utimi se na nimu so ana na hu so ba ni fie e wa animu eno no un say de bi onama oluku good na wedie no ne skin atose kama enwa emma ne skin wrinkles emma na nim obu wa bo se na nim abubu obu o chapa so hu na obeka se obe 40 years there bi obu o 25 hu na obeka se o 40 obu o 20 hu na obeka se obe 30 eno emwa emma asetran NCP nti ye kanfo kangen energy quarter e de mo sa aye property am friend anti-oxidation eno ana antioxidant no eboa ma fight against aging and mama wunyine edebia owidian atoso o skin ay kama abebia wonim elku younger eboa ama setera no etima ide etimi SCP enti kanjin energy quarter de dwumadie edi bebrebe nyina no eni na etimi boa amanem nyina kama yanhwe sa history unse enkane no first na nananum ekọ afuom na abebia omokoba omutimi afri ebia yemfa be macro tiketia na omokọ afuom eba omomfa ka o enye se bia ka bi wo ho no motem akọ aba o sabre no bisa ho se na omunyansuo wei sabre ne emu se ho se na oboto water bi wei sabre ne emu se ho se ne osase water bi we da bi na afuom so na nyansuo afri abotan mu yedu ye afuom a yenyansuo ewo fom a ahaban ayedai atete agum senso ne nyina no na ye akalansan se obo ade de obo na ade no mi se ye num so o se nso ye benom no di dwuma soronko e ni paduam nti saibra no ye hwe nananom no mutimi enyini che omuka so omo wo so abapa ma me ye nanom no mutimi wo pankanka ne mema no sanse na ahwode na ekura omo no omutimi free macro etimi na antikokete nkwa na emu otia sanse omutimi ko fa ekwa fom ko soa nyema
okay
e de ba e ma nyema nyina etimi e kama de mom na se awom e ba awom so aye ma me no mutimi nyina wo che ye papa mso de na jajaja ne nka kura ni nyina eye nsupa ne nwane pa enka ne no mudi no na eboa ema eye enema nyina etimi sipinti ye kanfo kanjin energy quarter de ma o hwe nso miense esi enimi a utimi se eboa ema enema nyina etimi ateki place do a
wo bo numbers no 0241 44 91 91 0241 44 91 91
on my against me in the assumptive power of kanji any microclassroom in free
o mic no aso okay
microclass you ka ho asemi e che se enso nani wasusa into one more no muso na instantly na wanya na hoto o se amenu muso yi na mitie me afiri honom na no kra de mama bi a ne menses echa for some time now onu muso na onya ne menses enya bibia se enso nani wasusa itetimi borra ni pedua ni borra ye sauce na borra ye tissue mu ntise o how bi woni pedua ni ma na eye afiri hon de bi advice say ye ndi fruits and vegetables but ye mbu say won say di padodo say na di vegetables and fruits a day obi won ma the whole week na on di fruits bia but kanjin so no e wa honi dro e wo ma senka odi orange as ahoni dro na obenya wo mu ebi wo ensuo nim vegetables bit say carrot na abewe a yesi ebi wo ensuo nim calcium e wo ensuo nim magnesium e wo ensuo enti se wanya fruit kra ni na odi onum kanjin so na bottle ba kokra eti se ne wanya apple be one basket and 2 baskets na wanom enti na pay kanfo kanjin water ama individual bm se ba bibia wo bia no na nyame adom ye wo distributors e were around all over the region enti de here ne se wuni ba bia won unya hu so ni bi wonom a offer your numbers na ye betumi di nso ni bi abro anase ya kire nipa oton bi wo hono cause juma nso ni di no enye nso bi akeke ye testing so na ni nyina ni ye white but ye di gum pie tester gum ye hu se enye nso bi ana enom cause nso ni bi wonom a onoma e de o how na bro kanji nso ni de se onoma e de apomuden papa ahoden ene enkoso na bre ni padua no ebe yi yarewa ni o how a enkadi asodie baba betu ni padua no so afiri ho amaye But the number ni 2 JBM. Your number is 0241
0241
44
44
91
91
91
91
0241
0241
44
44
91
91
91 0507
0507
37 94 74. Me bacho wo de won ti bibia ase a betimi afre number na time bia ye no be kasa.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. Okay. Okay. Me catch up mo 7 ya branch bi be twetwe nkomo. Na yentimi ento adwumade ne so. Omanpani John Dramani Mahama Emma over 900 a year you kind of say over 900 prisoners amnesty na ekoba say Abrante Yaw tana say Abrante na oka ho na dia na de na be pie fie ha no pay Jan your friend say
but your friend is Bismarck testimony.
Bismarck
Testimony.
Meow Mike, I saw green.
Yeah.
Bismarck testimony. Who free Crobes?
I'm free Asante Mampon in Sutatons.
Asante Mampon Sutatons.
A crona, a toa lumba, a crum.
Now who go school?
Me go school, actually do KNUST tertiary.
KNUST tertiary.
Tertiary.
Who we are now?
I'm patcho me we.
2 year graduate.
Yeah, me a graduate.
Course Ben
I did industrial arts.
Industrial arts.
Yes, BA industrial arts.
Very good.
But my area of specialization is textiles.
Textiles.
Yes.
Okay. O ma me tiase.
Asatena on the mama and me papa entiasi.
O mo tiase.
Pachan.
Ebrebe na uko prison.
And pachan me call honum on the 9th of November 2023.
9th of November.
Yes.
Then the see here do kopio.
A case kakra ana menya ewa adwuma mu. Case ne say na ye renovate one building. Enti me so na me sa a painti a design on walls. Enti me fa item back that was a tender rod. I thought say it wasn't of good use. Until later no management find out then they saw say no, it's against the institution where I'm working at.
Fine, say pay ye di no kure.
Oh yes.
What's the matter no?
Pacho.
Who we are now fine.
Pacho men we are me fine.
Oh fine na one we say now fine.
Yes.
And that is tantamount to stealing.
Yes.
Because idea we here kutami yaw. Me mo akwa baby o. Wo phone here da hoyi. Say me fa wo phone ni na ma ma wa mane. Na me de koto end ha. Na wo your phone na wa hunu. Ne ka say me na me fa to ha. If you charge me with stealing, when him say even though me hunu no. Where the thing was no. At the moment maybe who say na ade no me edamanim but I bet that wo anim no. Say me the court to say we are there, you'll be charged for stealing.
Sir.
Yes, because you have taken the thing out of its normal place to a different place without my notice.
Okay.
Into abokro no. Eti omo me ebe chewana.
Yes, a security for no and then me call to the police station.
Me ba road now canon na ne boy say.
And not the na me nim nebo.
Na wo fa say all the kwede.
We say no. Na me fa say because say masaya metals student in no. Na I thought say we say to me no as at now no me call prisoner me who say your name baby o society nim and I say oh yeah against the law no matter what will be your mindset.
Okay, but now nim say oh fa no. Oh fa to come.
There be me fa e she me bag him.
Dey abadia.
We say tender rod like Adiana is see tall building so yes just to catch tenders.
Yes,
a tender strike.
To fetch your bag.
Patrai.
and ask you to for no chill.
Patchoy.
And I'm local police station.
Yes.
So we attend that road.
Yes.
Ne value you say.
Patchoy ne value no dear and the ascertain the meaning. But
no, but if you say the court will have to let you know.
Yeah.
And I say, yeah, boy, you suborno. You bet me one say you stole something which market value is ABC. And I answer, you be cocaine. I say, I will tender road.
Yes.
We are.
Yes.
Okay. Any boy by the kakra. Eti, omo go prison no.
Yes.
Police station no.
Yes.
Any do call court.
Patchoy.
Any remand day or.
Yes, you reminded me for 2 weeks. Because earlier on, me call, I pleaded not guilty. Because
any CM found cop emra.
Yeah, if I may call the prison remind for 2 weeks. And to me call so 2 weeks and I'm going the condition and the remind center. And I'm saying no. I have to go there and say the truth. Say I'm guilty. Because now I know say pleading guilty no. Ebeti me aboa me eyi me free.
To plead guilty we you know.
Yes.
And I judge another sentence by.
Patchoy.
To that day now after 2 weeks now.
Yes.
And then I'll catch that prison for say.
And I'll catch them me say me go prison with Oliver. That's for 5 years.
They jail for mfinu.
Patchoy.
Okay.
Yes.
At that time no, no busi any be na won check.
At that time it was one of my senior brother and a bar to the law courts. Because earlier on no, I was trying to place myself in pursue be a ebeti. Because I felt say it's a kind of disgrace on me. Yes, because my bush and Nibia no I that situation. Okay. And then unlucky for me, my son me papa NTRC. So if the family should hear this, and it will be yes, a bad image.
A basano, and a do call prison.
Patchoy.
Prison ben do call.
Patchoy and me call Kumasi Central Prison. Edum.
Hana now wa.
Patchoy.
Okay. 2023.
Yes.
Day ben did call prison.
That's the 9th November.
9th November.
Yes.
Okay. 2024. Free 2023 9 November ekono. Prison life to say.
Oh my, say obiaka say prison eya na obua. The condition at the prison yard no enye ma nipa say nipa as a normal woman be na say otena. Because your freedom is taken away from you.
Yes.
Yes. It's me mesre. I say that place is not good. So even the lifestyle there, no. The moment that we are honoma, it won't be at all so. Because we say at the gate, before you enter, you have to bow down.
Yeah.
It is any spiritual thing be a nice idea be an upon who be no. It will be vanished.
Saturday night, ma umuase no.
Yeah.
Una wa ye duro se den.
Yes.
Ubo umuasia.
Yes.
Tumi naira.
Yes.
Na handcuff na dey.
Handcuff no.
Yes. Oh my.
Tumi wo.
To me no.
Yeah, some kind of so di. Ko obi awura ma ubo umuase.
Yes.
And also so your mouth to me, you are not supposed to bow to any.
Yes.
To bow umuase no, ura mi inside na no.
A patch that say what could told to that spirit there. And I quite a mommy believe that ne. Over there, there are so many people in the baho. It be a comfort, it be a whole lot of people. They believe they have magic. But who buy fear untimira? Obie no wa buy fear on my akaso ayirada.
And so I want to know bokro no timira.
Yes. Because we say inside there, you were hardened criminals or mine. You were criminals pa ewo ho.
And you kum nipa bia ye niema. Eti uko ho no.
Yes.
Mo baby anamota na mo ye be say.
Me no me free honor no dey na ye 99 but a drew bronya time yet me as many as 120 because we say my a drew bronya na the judicial service no e release and I say those are the police custody they release them to come to the prison. It's honor mo fast track the things.
Okay.
Because mo person mo clear people for the next year.
Okay.
To bo say obi hu a and na make us kra no when nya kra no be nya nipa 10 I know mo back to the prison. Into my yetimi ko as many as 120.
The damn no be ha.
So check kakra bi the size of a single room. Just a muwa e che ha.
Na nipa send them.
A nipa as 90. Many a b mimi floor there near 97. But last year bring anyway the previous bring
so che ha kakra bi.
Trying.
How do you sleep? What that say?
Yes, on my and when I hear the mystery behind, and it's me advice is a more be a pressure of prison. Say and say who ye Ade be negative. And you're right, I think of it.
You know,
prison, you know, and your baby a cell. On my room honor ye 33 beds and a see her. 33 bed, that means out of the 97, no, and you part 33 penny benya kwenya Adam passo, the rest in a mugu form ho. And on my student bed, you know, we say a size of this. And you pay 15, more than 15 year kawa show. Yes, and that bed, you know, in term, you sleep sideways.
It won't not down say I won't tell you.
Because we say you're parking in such a way, so to say sadi. Unko hokra no na we say inside the cell your officials. It is zongo leader no, and I say the policeman in the cell no. Na ye press so ye dey esheho. Because mono they have no option. Abine no amaba. Until no, they have to force you to get a place to sleep.
Most shame says
shame on mine. Yes, shame. Yes, shame.
Now, be a woman.
Yes.
Yes, by 6 p.m. I also be a room.
And yes, 6 p.m. The Rebecca says 6 p.m. Then no boy. 4:30.
4:30 na mother.
Yes. On my akoko krada time bay. And until I may ya ba out, you pay see use your lifestyle to educate a young one. And say prison no enye. Prison.
4:30 ni akamagum.
Yakayagum.
Mokoso a ti we ni time amobeda no.
Yes. We no crowd on many for mine. We I think say a face no. But these days no on my your friend be pick up. O betena on mo bi betena wani. No be so 20 and one lie bit as many as 15 people and it's one lie.
And no na moto where day.
Yes, I don't know what only train time I'll be down mine. We sleeping time we create more awful. Oh mine, we sleeping time. And it's a pick up no oh train. Cause we do 4:30 no. Start time no na. Young fans, how you were cool. Me ko join asofu kuo no because me call ye no. Erade ye madom. And my dream they exercise because earlier on, na me need that kind of mindset in life. To me, really first day, and I'm realizing no, baby, I'm a drone. It's the end of me. I have only one chance in life. Why don't I turn to my God? Why don't I be so committed to my God? It's from that day, no, on my I didn't pray with my Christian life. As of the 2nd of September, last week, you know, I don't pray. I follow what you do on my
mo follow me with prison.
Yes, on mine, you follow.
I'll follow.
There be anything on mine and no. I think say during the course of your discussion, you know why. On mine, food for thought, you know, and a great impartation on the prison's life or
prisoners,
no. Yes. On mine, serious. And it's that time no, I feel na yeah so fufu no. Yeah, go to the various cells, I go preach. Because we go around and preach. Because we say you when you are we are mixed with a whole lot of people.
Yes,
yes. Those with a minimum or less offense.
Offense be every grab a remand on the wadawa.
Yes.
And you work criminals and kasa.
Yes. And on my idea back where prison service, you know. Esa omo turning to anasa by turning to ni say wa mengi ye nyina together enu nti say bi me ameme ba ebi won ma me ko wi a aponche me ko wi a bayire ye ne maba na ma beto hardened criminal
okum nipa.
Yes,
one you obese sound.
Yes, yenya so many instances enu nti na most people omo ba out na they tend to be very hardened. Say any true God intervention na only pakro na be den so obesa because process there now the reformation process there no and yes so effective.
Charge say prison was almost say reformative center no.
Yes.
Turning to a hardened criminal center.
Yes. On my
obu onu ma na omre but ko prison by no cra fe cra obey crom for cra check.
My make one instant one we say me come say nya akwanya echirade because of my educational background.
Now chirade prison hall.
My now yeah was junior and senior high.
E prison.
Yes.
I be mu afemu we SH.
On my and yes. On my yam kra no do mo more day because based on all this condition no this time you could BC so my na me kire junior and senior high ti na me kire creative art and career technology your new syllabus or buy no party yes menkwa subject anankra ni timi one yes on my just look at this condition enkra we wom yes also basic until from 18 to 25. Yes, you know you prisoners. And a year inmate no, ya na say chiro amade. But there ba kwa officers need to go public in him so make chiro some na chira de. Glory never then they take it upon themselves. Now teacher now child there is no recommendation. On my just the recent BC about out result by I think last month you know. Yankra no eyade.
The list ankwala no ebasa no a school on ehwana no mo ko senior high no
yes we say we senior high wo enti ye be ma na ko nanim
no akọ senior high
yes
enti o prison so usua de
yes
enti ebi ma wie senior high
yes
enti o mu wie ye no ye yi wo mo ana
yes esi ano last year ba ku wie ye no ono so nya one sa on my you have brilliant student there
yes
based on the condition enti na me stress on mine for one tum na ye nnuanu mo sa school no e wo prison no at least em wa kakra bi kra let's got me the mama see e be sresra de but I just want to encourage my brothers there because omu say all hope is lost but omu true on they saw say education is the key to future
or to your future life.
Yes
omu ko school
yes on mine
watimi awie SHS
yes
I don't know omu ma no enko university
yeah.
But we SHS na no da so ho.
Yes, on my masa akwanya no say so on my introduce a course with the Jackson education.
Okay.
The before introduce that degree.
That's wonderful.
But na emma no last year your boy back who wie no sisi ani ne call in Sawam. On say in Sawam they have a university there.
Okay.
Because UCC for eba choma.
Okay.
So he took a transfer. Because the time now I see a discharging in so.
I think this thing should become a national discuss. Na obia de hu sem.
Yes.
Na mpanimfo no atitire bi wo mo nsem no. Omo e learning materials no computers no ade no enko school more because kwala na ebikro okumobi ene opeso okọ school se onyansa no dwuma minim se pensa no dwuma de omo kire pa na otimi ye educate obi betima aba be lawyer de wako prisoner ono na sua law asabe hu ayi no now or court wa onim how obe defend obedi asem ye no ahwe ne ye no koye yi
yes for mine
what dey make sure enti maduane diem te say
aduane die no de o mine
enti last year be ba ohu we
yes o mine
mene subi MP
yes
ye ba prison ni mo bedidi
ai during the campaign tour
yes
I was there me no buy na me shit baby o mo ye tie da ye ntoma no o ma woni mad krontia
ka che me
o se me background on me ye tester me call ye no manti ana me hu se da bi me so me fa me nim die no emwa me nuanom enti me free classroom and ma sa yard na me ni nuanom o fa ensano adwumam that's
to chire o mo tester
yes
I'm not surprised say o man peni jo mama me yi wo ye do o mo di wudin o mo recommend e wudin kaka ho enti me ba o aduane be na modi
ya duane ayedi no say aban no e ma ye 1 cedi 80 pesos a day and a mesre sa aban no etima ma ye amnesty
1 cedi say
80 pesos a day
for the 3 days no 3 meals no
for a day so ya honom no obi beka say 3 meal a oboa 2 meal a day
who did anopa
yes
what did anwumre
yes enya anwumre kra eye anopa awia because 11:30 and I would do last meal for the day on mine
to anopa who did better be 7
anopa no be 7 a
cocoa
raw no sugar
no milk
light one ya woni su because ya woni sana aban ama wa be complain say aban ama wa aduane and I would say scan your name or money sususa so they'll be forced to what make it plenty for you.
Yes. No aboguyem.
Yes.
Nebo 11:30 and your second food.
Your mouth, that's your last meal for the day. And your banku, and now Gary. Gary, you did Monday and Friday. Gary is your Gary, does say 1 cedi. Gary, and yes, she go where you offending panning. Banku ni so dear, and your morin yaka, no banch more, no salt. Na your mount quine, and quine soon, your friend, honey, your friend is zone tolly.
And quine
zone tolly. But me,
and namony,
be any more mine. Yasa woni so to share ushum crown who enim. And it's now my maker ya ba ya advocate say prison ya baby e say ni pako. But adie ba ko public na say hu ni say prison enye say baby a obi okọ obi na ni paboni debi. Obi ono ma okoi based on certain things on mine. But in prepi you know ye nuanu free prison ba society does not accept them. And only idea na say society ni so hu because ye nuanu mu free oba na who society wa accept you ma they tend to be harden on you because oba na wo wanje na afro be hu
as on say prison acceptance no
yes
omo ko prison ba no bringing them back into the society no ya na no so be a problem na abeye a stigma
ye pampam wo mo
ye ben crowd ko prison that's a uko utie stories ni bia ye onipa bebre ho no ma bi crowd wo hu na asem kan ye
yes oh my mama card ye baako ye wo ho no mo ne ye fa paralegal training ye nya judges for mo ba nti se am a paralegal person metimi a kire ombra na so me nua bi nya case I can ask as a lawyer but me nya lawyer. And then the difference between a paralegal and a lawyer. To make him obinya case or police station, make him actually lead, you know.
Actually, near my own ade.
Yes. Oh, you know, on my unim, your judges never buy no crowd who say the justice system no cry is not all that right. And the country here can say we raise the question, say, Adentina, near backward na. CID no MA intro your statement. No more actual, no more ready actual. No, Mama will be abedi adanse assign it. Who said to me, I had that opportunity to write because I can read and write. What about my brothers and sisters who couldn't read and write?
Comfort trauma.
Yes, and I'll go prison almost on the doorson on mine. Ignore illiterate for the doorson.
It's yet to meet your crash and no.
Yet, Roshawano on mine. And it's not my prison. I are congested these days.
I just have no be cry out. Cornwall to meet Troy, I can be a judge no kind. Statement uncle beat me.
Yes. And on my own say Kosua, almost a CID for the cyber catchers or qua, Quajitum, near Cabin day, amount.
But when you tumpe,
when you tum, judge in a day, a run will needy, a bunny table, so Yasham ran say, we are. Or something, we are.
CID no castle be Cabby, I want to meet Cabby Mount.
On my a trick or per se. A Jumani is so easy, and my name free so. And then preppy, you know, you see, I this one, I dear Bakwa, your best say, or Monshani say a woman institution. I dear be a dawenim. A crown now, 4GB, am I in that too? Now, when your promotion, and then a mess say, or Mon and home. Because who say, Yenano, yeah, call a radi adomie. And we tell ye P and ye person and you see a lifestyle because coming on TV no cry na me person me ba. But me who say no, I have to set an example in the society. I have to let the general public know and we say and never air cost will prison in yet.
It's here from say Teens Rescue Missionaries.
Yes.
Teen Rescue Missionaries. I'm per se a mabunu and so ebeyam from so. Yes. As a Jude chapter 1 verse, you'll see a bit more on my new woman free gem.
Yes.
There no one juma and I'm away.
Yes.
Okay. What's it motie me or a ho?
Yes, oh mine.
Ahomachi.
Yes, oh mine.
Kwambeso na mo fama ni predominantly.
On say you were TVs and various cells.
Okay.
And the radios. Well, to me now personal TV or radio.
Okay.
Until do that time, on say yeah, go preach, you know. And I said the leaders there, no. Ade Akye Abia say your national leader or yeah, dear pa inside there, your friend National Hamza and National George. And we encourage you to this ways because yeah, fella say udru ho no ma all peace loss ɔman no anase country ni nyina yi utotwene enu nti se wo ampre ama erade ama wabrabom anase nsese bi ama wabrabom a obedwendwen anase bi wawu ana honom si nyamanfo a day in and day out ebi wu yes
it's there na motivate you ma utie me
who say your food for thoughts.
That's right.
Every morning and even during your morning show who say is so educated. So who are we educated person who tears and you feel motivated. Who say all hope is not lost.
Okay.
Say crown na sebi erade use ni say ya. Sorry for using that sebi. Erade use say ya. Adentina me no ese me ma bibia ye dey eba to an end. Yes, because Ade Akye Abia me believe say God does not use extraordinary people. He uses ordinary people. No
to make them extraordinary.
Yes. And we think of the attitude upon some no afa no ahye ne die no nyam eyede ewom. And we think na me tie o program on mine. Any your programs are what I we say every month be an program I would
Liberty Conference.
Yes.
Mutie ni muhwe ni nyina.
Oh my. Ya follow Akye kakra. Enu timi mi pie ba ye na mi hu o post be also be on the 27th of September mi hu prison break and I'm say erade. This should be a turning point where we can use that platform to educate the general public because it is in line with prison.
That's right.
And although yours may be spiritual, but we always can be the physical one.
Yes.
You have to inform the general public that what is going on in prison is not good. And yet, Emma in the past or the echo prison service do amunya ehwe aban court in esi yam fire mbra. Yes, Anna sikani ene mo no eno mo enso mo. Ese ono be nu aduan so they'll be forced to do it for you. Into your mind, who program no there having a great impact in the life of minu mo wo. Yes. Oh mine.
I think say na modoso teens rescue no.
Yes.
Mama mutimi pie no.
Yes.
Modoso kakra.
Ya doso kakra. But ebi mu situations ni so bad say ebi mu krant mi enanti. Ya e join ye no na nyame ye madom. Emma adwen sachra ne ba en sisa ba e wo mabrabo mu no ye fa me asori pani e wo yard nim.
Okay.
Eno nti ya ye pie ye no asori panifo na ne ye kan na ye almost 3. Baako eye advisor ono count the man ye for ono na serving the longest serving inmate e wo West Africa odi 52 years. Okọ honom no 19 years.
Eish.
Nti say o pie ye ni pie ye that was last week Wednesday and on the 2nd
what did say?
Odi 72.
And what the prison 52 years.
52 years.
Afeni you know.
Afena buy no.
Now, owabusia.
Yes. Oba no ye pie ye dru abonte no abusuafo behia no.
The longest serving prisoner in West Africa.
In West Africa.
I will want to meet him.
Oh yes, I would make an arrangement.
Yes, because I mean, you know, ebe interview.
Oh, yeah.
Make arrangement for me na ye
I would.
So obe banku kwa dia.
Oh,
52 years.
52 years.
Ewo
Kumasi Central Prison, the whole of West Africa.
Hey Yaw.
Oko prison no dey for
19 years.
He is a legend.
Oh yes. Ade Akye Abia I am a dead pa say man we ehunyame. Ohunyame. Because who say ohunyame he became an advisor to the church. On an abraboni to emabruno admission for no maba oko prison aba for admission. Because we name the womb.
Obi admission was school. Obi so admission prison. This life is dynamic here.
Oh yes.
We are your home. Hey. 52 years.
52 years.
Obi at 30.
Oh.
At the net you're sentencing to life and
yeah, you're sentencing by condemn. Rolling's time.
Hey.
On my own incident to see ye. Nyamianu no according to him. Also ni mo hwe but me sure say am paso ade esi ene say na they were two friends or more nam ana ba ko be ka omo ntokwa nti de o ka omo ntokwa ne ba ko na ye dey eko nti obo na damfo ni blue accidentally and the patre no ana na ti kobo form ni woman no na damfo no Enti yes ana ono so bufu ye ana o say dey no why madam fu say waku no no ofa bottle because other guy na kuta bottle o so jimi a o so no me be bo so waku bi to ye na o so hwe mi wuntimi ana ono so ye dey e man blue do kuta bottle no na da de yaku na down for the man blue dey me so 52 e man blue no ono so ko e bo form no ono so ni woman no
jeez
enti be when be di dance o man.
That was a quite yaw, Gwenshia.
Onie. Oh, mine, your friend Olomingo. Olomingo. But I did back where me then say, oh, who are radinting and why you say 72.
You the prison.
The prison.
Look at the graph fair.
Yes, and Papa Bini a day man.
A woman mobile. Who nipa what will be your decision on me? It is a radi who me mobile wo di obeka no anyway ana a radi say who me mobile dey back as I me den say ama omanhene ni so who me mobile a grant me amnesty.
That's right.
It is see me nam one ma untimi me kan kire me say me ex convict
we gi
efri say ni guase na efri me so
until now you are no more ex convict.
Yes
wo mra to nyina efri.
Yes
o man say I won ex convict.
Yes convict it is a me not I ka so me o ka say me ex convict me mercy you.
Yeah, what I say. Yes, because when you are granted amnesty, as your people umra too.
Okay.
And to say yes, you Christo, dear Bonnie, I say, one people umra too. The yanya the boy from you. And when you are granted amnesty, it makes that it has been blotted.
Yes. Okay. Yes, on mine.
What is the mature?
Okay. Yes, on mine.
It has been blotted out.
Yes. On mine. And nothing I am many I day. Aji. Me pese me enko all out with your support to the various schools and institutions.
We will help you.
We want the youth of today to know the truth about drugs, the truth about what peer pressure, the truth about certain negative social vices that is ongoing. Because day in and day out, prison, ye no more mobile, buso mo kwan so who say o my prison or ye tremra. Eti e kyeremre busa wo ekwan so ade e ne wo ba ho enjiti se wo ka we ya na yesu yatufo ne aka kyerɛ wo say next time no menye say yesay enunti ye wo court within the prison.
Okay.
For mine enti yesi aye ya ba out no ye pesi ye anything ya form a group called the Teens Rescue Missionary. The teams, you know, the full meaning is teenagers. We want to educate the youth today. Because I go to your senior high schools now. The boys are taking things for granted, and the girls, obia ye bibia, or ye bibia not about social media, or just or ye for fun. But who names say won't soon so and so a day? Yes, on mine. It's me idea about coming many Japan is a mimico prison. No, Mama prison no assasame.
Yes.
I me free me tibia because me share me past life on mine na enye. Although I was very educated, but I was playing smart in my doings. Me sure say no crack can who be and the man me ko fast adie no.
Na urade etwe waso.
On my own madi aha me abrabom every day I pray say the youth shouldn't follow. Adie bi aba sister nim. Your friend a betting. Bet. Sports betting.
Utu mabunu for so munyai.
Yes, on mine.
Ade.
At the quote me to me for 10 good years. Eto pressure mami ewa brabum. Skebi aminya o my na me ye adwuma be fo. Me ye adwuma be fo I skaba me same day in and day out.
Say ni nyina.
Ba me tie amanfo afutuo. Media for advert o ye about this. And no entire say me and my minimum who could realm. I say, oh, who could check team we are being away.
Is it about say, we are addicted to
yes.
I don't do so. What's what you want?
Oh my, serious.
What's what you want?
A lot are ending their life. True betting. Because being Ebusuye Japade and as Ebusuye ska kucha bets. And they become stranded on Team Kofi. So they tend to be those are the get to know almost sleepy at the lorry station.
There was a gentleman on his sister Bamio. And Opekra and when you ran his sister Freddie a dance here war a Liberty Hour. So, yow, the master seeker or the amano.
One in the master here, Chuma. The master this come on almost 40 million to 30 million. Or they could bet.
Yes.
And whoever is it's happening. Oh
yeah.
Because
they could bet.
What you have bet now feel what to mean the fee.
And
yeah, about time and the man very himself say, what could you bet me actually? And I need to start to say, oh, hey, let me who when I'm say, now that we be beautiful. It's really didn't come on here, then I'm tuneful. That day, grab a guy in some more nephew. Not the fear, bet you know. Yeah. It was nephew. Tell I'm sure, or more place can go to and I'm so once, sir. Or such like I see our near Juma Dubai. Wow. But in India, Yaw, so do who reman kakranka crow. The so de moi.
Oh my, I started with this more than 10 good years. And see, Eradi, me sure say, ya dear na me ye and Eradi ma, ye ne me coho. Ne Radi Pessimi, Bibi wa Brabuni. No, sound. Yon Sami.
Or do could see.
Yes.
Yes, or do could please. Eradi do could see. Yes. Sako Sissa. Yes. Why, Neno, Onamwa. You feel free
right now.
You feel happy. Yes. Though you have gone to prison, but you feel happy than before.
Oh yes.
It's just no and Sanu Jumana. Tie and die, no Sani Mano. Then also the Aboa Bravo.
Yes. Also, my me say at work any computer with me a very good. And until Siano and ona may set myself up.
Okay.
May set myself up. I mean him say through the help of other because Siano may call prison. All hope is lost. On my own maybe, me kwaya me nya adwen sachira no, me catch me nua no say me niema na e wo me dem no, o mo mfa ni nyina ye de enche.
Kono adwen say nya de a wo beba bio.
No, yes sir.
Sa wo say sa ne ma mo fa nche.
Yes, because me hu say sa ne ma e bo a me ma me toto me niema no wo me dem no. Man fa the right way.
To mo de cheche.
Yes.
Tirana, you want to start afresh.
Yes, on mine. That's what I told because na me pese me ba na me ni be bosso na afia kai mechi.
Okay,
yes,
I understand.
Because at the prison we use our life as an example. And to say radiate imagine you say why should you go back to the world again? Yes, on mine. So coming back to the old kind san we juma no die sesi ano eno na e wo mani so. Ese me ye ni nyina no na to the various schools no mine also be boaye no ye pese ye koni advice o ma we also train them in skills because youth know of today omuni adwuma ni ntina sabi all ye na ade no
to tie and die no ne ade industrial so the again no simon sa no fe tie and die batik no ne sa ne ma no
artworks
and artworks which man training for
Cora draw Photoshop ni nyina man.
Ni nyina oni mi.
Please one yana message rom because now I wanted to leave a legacy there. And as at now Kumasi Central Prison. Unya inmate and answer officer benya meme edin bone. I know beti
maka. Edin nickname be no dem ho.
Me na e sofo and a teacher.
Teacher.
Yes.
Se obunya bo teacher obi ado. Let's say tell me when need 2 years crowd.
Yes, on my man need 2 years.
But you have made a very positive impact.
Yes, on mine.
Because when you're 2 years, November 9th.
Yes.
And you
2nd September.
2nd September. Within 2 years, no what to me Kwama. 5 years you no. You giant man penny crowd because the prison officers now recommend him a job.
Yes, I think.
Because they know say dawa you will go waste.
Yes.
Then I see.
Oh, on my me crowd the accident in the main farm me officers me Radi. Because we say on my they submitted a lot of names there. Because we say Central Prison amnesty list in 35. But earlier on I learned say they presented more than 100. It is a nipa 100 now on my penny 35 from my just
consider why.
Yes. I see it to be the grace and favor of God.
I mean you on this gentleman yet in Asabia.
No kota nkomo wo di me kan say tell you no afato no ho so say de wakom de wafam abrabom wo de beye futu de aye amamfo na konta ye say ebetu amamfo fo no de be say also aye a picture and an artwork or the nice one.
You are the prisoner's motivator.
Yes, on mine.
Sometimes the age will have said We are really encouraging you people.
Yes, so mine.
Oh.
Eche say baby a ya no kodru baby a ye ne kodru no ye kra ne ya.
There's a morning show no kra mutie bu amapa ho.
Livia Boga, so we sat out on the front. Went to you on the tear. I'm first to wear, and I said shortcut in life for Musiati Chiomo. So Olivia,
Yamin Shram pa.
Yes.
So they bidding come over to Hawaii.
Patch your mind.
Medas into the train watch your honour. What, yow?
Akotanti yina etu obi a send your case. My ya wakodem over 50 something years. Ɔne na damfo ne nam ɛna ntɔkwasi ye we born na damfo no fisa den wa bɔ madam so ɔno so boni bi ɔtɔ ho wawuo ɛno ane ne wadam for 50 years ɔkɔ no 19 years ɛnɛ opia bonten no or 70 and over
okay brante bi a ɔbaa ne ɔswame
ai mekai
ono so arehosem
mekai
maami bi di ne niam agya no kejeti
ai
oye ne shoe shine maami ne ba wo hu yede ne ko ye na CID fo ensem yo kan ne bi mo omo share that car say omo fa kra no call remand omo share that ne call remand 1 year
yes
to call remand 1 year no now nya exact age betima jailing no omo de ne ko tum oko 19 oba no di 40 yeah maame na oye ne sa no obae no enka boy no no ne sexy don the prison
oh okay
obae se nya homache no a otie mi a no temo prison e wo Cape Coast baby e no say enam no so da bi o da ho sa na me kasa nam say e fa ho so prison nya metima mo bia be na prisoner for am mo nya gidie na ni ba ne ho so no ne aka kire ne se obi abetua ne sika wo se on de nyame bofo na ma ebetua ne sika because obesi ne nipa kra obetua ne sika
wa hunu
e nipa kra o me yi no wa hunu no obae no okọ krofrom na busua fie ne busua ne nyina onim obia
mo kra je se
e na obae no
refi no
e na okọ kejeti aho ko busebusa mu a no mo kire ne maame na maame ne maame ensa onim de boy ne no so obe ko be kum boys ni nyina
maame ne ma ne ko dem
obekum mu nyina okotot etuo nyina
wow
a otimi die mu akohu maame ne ma no ba bi omo wo
na o plan say
obasisi adaji je omani
obe revenge
ahomache 5 o'clock or tikejeti ahwa na obi di radio twam no tinene na me kasa se ahaye Sompa 3.1 food for thought jumedie e no se masa papa we away e no se ho swami e no bai to fi akwa interview e no se wajai wa hu mi ni die wajai ko so mo atonsu maame ne ma me no baba ko osi ko be kom so anka police nche no wow because of the silence and ke ko kom ti me ma ne ko tutuo ni twatwene wow ko osi maame ne di na and true see I didn't ni maame ne kan bo mu ye de akora ne tumu a onnim hwe ye prosecutors no so omunhwe ye no muni no kure they waste people's lives bo akoda remand 5 years the docket cry to actually say nyame amwa no obi akwa
na ni case no kura na chese
yen kai
friend na mpese
it is sad but we thank God for their lives the nyame ase ayaw
called prison 19 years na we call 19 years no umpie mra no now was 72 years.
What is 70?
Hey!
Hello, Edini Mai, Entina me frey no. Birthday no. Agosia someone Mr. Waka picture back faka homa me why. Julian Ajimandia or Comfort Noche. And then so na woda. It is someone Fedini ka homa me. Mr. Wa picture no minim somebody comedy among fanko Reverend Father Emmanuel Mensah of St. Matthew's Parish Efijase Michael Japan Kuma Uman Bank Drobonso branch manager si o ma otrinkwa. Reverend Father Emmanuel Mensah. Bridget Efia Sapon. We a final year student of St. Patrick NMTC. Kakape nyina hini. Kakape de wajiafa o. Madam Janet Nyanta. Emse kakape uwo nyina hini potemwa. Udu birthday out there.
Oni eba ko obermedru
de beba I know almost Madam Janet Nyanta ewo nyina hini Presbyterian Church Basic School bermedru and then Mrs. Evelyn Owusu aka Liberty Mame of Swami Kotoko area Kotoko area my friend Liberty and so Liberty from your brother Nanaya Jemfi. Okay. Mary upon Damprane, Church of Christ, Lake Road, Shiftman Atonsu. Hey,
Shiftman says yes, or UK will say.
Shiftman or UK. And her sister Rose, no so much. Vero Forian Poma, Arabo Francis Credu, Assembly Member Kona, Amoutinqua. Nana Doma, Arabo Francis Credu, so Moutinqua, and the Chief Inspector Eric Ahuma Nene. In charge Ade Akye CID
akota muhonom no a muhonom na police station bi na wo eyi ho no Melcom ho no police station bi na wo Melcom ho no
okay
won ye
Melcom ho no
CID commander ewo
where the small boy
nene
now church the jeans we are acquire guy nene guy
on in charge of CID
Eric Ahumane.
Yes.
The guy. Oh, now is here post.
Oh, guy. Then also bra makofa ubra fi nanim ho.
Juliana Ajimendia. Ewo Komfanochi Teaching Hospital. General Administration. And there wa da. Juliana Ajimendia. We free Eno. Eno wo Komfanochi.
Okay.
I on young Cobra no. Also ma otrinkwa.
Tiakwata we were nurse and as a midwife.
Our general administration. Omom church on near man. Nti Julian Ajmedi Ade.
And remember be me card.
Oh, how you card?
Oh, hospital.
Onunti.
What we me card.
Edi, we say Juliana they don't have a friend Julie. Happy birthday to you coming from your sweetheart Eno. And all the staff at general administration wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day. Abuja for Ember Power. Ebe Trasi. No, they are good here. Enjoy your weekend. Kukwa Jando. Akosia Sumo has been the producers. And now, hey, Mr. Seven Boate Esquire. You're a Kabrakasi. Oh, and I'm there. No, come with my PJ. Yendanwasi.
Papa K, the Clothman.
The Clothman.
The Clothman. You didn't the adorso.
Say Clothman or either the man. Awa Mohammed. Now or a lawyer. Nimpo.
Yes.
And Yamanitrinkwa is the president and then CEO of Kesbin Group of companies. And then I would the former boss. And they say Onyinida. He's still looking nice, handsome, and very strong. Today happens to be his birthday. Yeah, wishing all the best. Mr. Kashi should be 60, 65 thereabout.
Okay.
And maybe go ani atisu.
Be ani atisu.
But with and then I would. And we can only wish what I share. I see you may cool out do so he's paid his dues to Mother Ghana. We can only wish him all the best. And there Mr. Kessie, you're out in.
And then Friday they say one day party there
party
Canadian Keja. I can see Friday.
Oh, so you were
and see Ezida.
Kwame na ebi a obefetire ho na ya afọ yi kakra. Kwame kwara no. Kwame wa ma amza 10 to.
Na kwame kwasi wa de bia. We 50 bia na 20.
No, I like this picture.
Yes.
This picture we was swag pa. This picture is very.
Sure say mami du fie na.
Mami du fie ni charo.
Ka jo luma gina sei na. Eye bi go pass ba.
Eya pa bo atin so sa wo.
Okay.
Aye. This is it.
Yes,
congratulations, sir, on your birthday. We wish you well. Yes. At least, if not anything, cry. He gave us a platform. He gave us a platform. We are not ungrateful. We are forever grateful. Oh yes, definitely. As life is, sometimes you part company, but we always are grateful to you for giving us the opportunity to become what we are. We wish you all the best. Nyamisha. I'm for Ember.